You are welcome to the seventh episode of my video presentation. I remain your Yahya Yusuf Bolaji with the matric number 16/68ZJ006 from Educational Technology Department, University of Ilorin. Today we are going to be discussing science in the 21st century. Science is creating wonders almost every day. What was once sheer fantasy is now almost a reality by virtue of the recent achievements of men of science. Almost everything that makes easy our daily life are the wonders of modern science. Science has conferred many gifts on modern life. Indeed, they are far too many to be counted. Times are changing. In the earlier days, we used to go to the library. Today, we search and achieve our papers online. We have collaborations per email, hold telephone seminars, organize virtual networks, write blogs, and make our seminars available on the internet. Without any doubt, these technological developments influence the way science is done, and they also redefine our relations to the society we live in. Information exchange and management, the scientific community, and the society as a whole can be thought of as triangle of relationships. Science, technology, and society, the mutual interactions in which are becoming increasingly important. Importance of science in the 21st century in our daily life. Here are the importance of science in our daily life. Computer. Let's take computer as a new age technology. Is widely used by common people for recording their day-to-day transactions. It is also used in controlling and processing the activities of factories and plants. 2. Medical science. Scientists have invented so many wonder drugs. The effects of these drugs are so miraculous. By means of these drugs, fatal diseases could be controlled. Many deadly diseases can be cured by the application of medicine in proper time. Human heart transplantation is a significant achievement in the field of surgery. In fact, transplantation of human organs is quite possible now to save the lives of men. Radio. We listen to news and songs through our radio sets. Television. Television has become a medium of audiovisual method of learning. It remains one of the most significant contributions of science to the society. Traveling. We use buses, trams, motor cars, trains, and airplanes to travel from one place to another. Science has narrowed the vast distance of the world. Newspaper. We read newspaper to get the news of the world. We stay in touch with the world. Comfort during summer days. Electronic fans and air conditioners gives us comfort during summer days. Mobile phones. We cannot think of living without our mobile phones. Apart from talking to a distant friend, we can browse internet on our smartphone. Camera. When we go out on holidays, we can take photographs through our cameras. Distant images. Television photographs about the movement of astronauts on the moon were seen on Earth by a device of electromagnetic waves. Photographs of Venus and Mars, millions of miles away, were transmitted by spacecrafts to the Earth. Power and electricity. Adequate power is a necessity for every one of us. Most of our everyday works are dependent upon electricity. The thermal, hydro, and gas power plants are important mediums that allow uninterrupted supply of electricity to common people. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is being harnessed by modern science to peaceful purposes to achieve many more wonders in life. Thus, atom is energy, producing electrical power, and the radioactive isotope and tracers are doing marvels in the field of agriculture and industry. Science and religion in the 21st century. Darwin famously explained how life on Earth has gradually evolved from primitive microbes to the rich diversity of the biosphere that we see today. However, he left open the question of how the first living thing came into existence. As we enter a new century likely to be dominated by sweeping scientific and technological developments, the need for spiritual guidance will be stronger than ever. Science alone cannot adequately cater for our spiritual needs, but any religion that refuses to embrace scientific discovery is unlikely to survive to the 22nd century. The negative effects of science and technology in the 21st century: isolation, obesity, poor sleep habits, pollution, lack of privacy, higher level of deceit, lack of social skills, depression, increased bullying, stress, BlackBerry, iPhone, Tom, lack of social boundaries, lack of sexual boundaries, lack of social bonds, constant distraction, neck and head pain, shortened attention span, addiction, lack of empathy, more violence, higher energy consumption, developmental issues on children, neurosis, loss of hearing and eyesight. Conclusion: in humanity's quest in progress and prosperity, we will need to weave the rational scientific approach, which is basic to our definition as Homo sapiens, into the fabric of our civilizations. If we do so, I can predict a bright future. Surely, science and technology will then become the real spaceship for the successful voyage of prosperity. Thanks for listening.